Stop guessing if she's mad. Discover the signs. Spoiler. It's not just the silent treatment. First up, the silent treatment. If she's quieter than a mouse in a library, something's definitely off. But hey, at least you get a break from the honey-do list, right? Next, the one-word responses. You ask how her day was and get a fine or okay. Translation, it's time to investigate Sherlock. Third, the eye rolls. If her eyes are doing more laps than a NASCAR driver, you might be in the doghouse. Look alive, pal, it's not a good sign. Up next, the sighs. Not the romantic, I love you sighs, but the deep, frustrated ones. Think of it as a pressure cooker about to blow. Finally, the cold shoulder. If she's suddenly less affectionate and more distant than a cat that's just been bathed, you, my friend, have some making up to do. So if you're spotting these signs, it's time to put down the remote and have a heart-to-heart. Remember, communication is key. And maybe a peace offering. Flowers, chocolate, or hey, even doing the dishes. And there you have it, guys. 5 signs your wife might be upset. Spot them early and you might just avoid a storm. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if this helped and subscribe for more tips on keeping the home front happy. See you next time.